Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In new leaf, though they may also appear even if the weather is clear and if a snowman is present in the town. They can be caught with a net and traded to snowman for ice furniture. They can also be sold to retail for 500 bells. Snowflakes cannot be stored in storage units, placed as furniture or dropped outside.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
In Animal Crossing, New Horizons by finding snowballs and building a snowboy. When you create a perfect snowboy, the friendly snowman will give you a large snowflake and a crafting recipe. Each day for 3 more days afterwards until melting, a perfect snowman will give you an extra large snowflake.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Winter in Animal Crossing series starts in late November and lasts until the 18th of February. Like the other seasons, winter has many unique events and characters, as explained below. Winter follows autumn, and precedes spring. Winter is characterized by snow on the ground, which melts on the 25th of February.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Precipitation comes in 2 forms in the Animal Crossing series, rain and snow. Snow falls only in the winter months, with rain occurring during the rest of the year, though more often during spring and the late summer rainy season.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.